Now, here's an interesting one. In MCN, there's this concept called zero copy data. It means your data never actually gets stored in Marketing Cloud Next. And for us SFMC professionals, that's kind of strange and odd to think about, right? Welcome to entry 12 of my MC Next Diary series, where I'm a current SFMC professional in the middle of an MCN migration project, documenting everything so you won't be scared when it's your turn. So, in SFMC, here's what we're used to. Imports, file drops, SFTP, or direct API calls landing directly into your data extensions. And in doing that, the data lived in two places. One, in your data warehouse, and two, a copy of it in Marketing Cloud. And given the two copies, we needed to ensure that both systems had up-to-date data. Now, how does this relate to Data 360? So as you know, data comes into Data 360 through data streams. And there are a few ways to actually feed one. Yes, you can still import a file through a data stream via SFTP, through CSV file manual import, through CRM, the stuff we're used to, but there's also an additional one called a zero copy. But this one works completely differently. With zero copy data, the data actually doesn't come into Data 360 at all. Data 360 holds a live connection to the data warehouse. You can still map the data to the data model and work with it like any other data, but the real data never gets moved. So when you build a segmentation, Data 360 reaches back to the data warehouse and queries it live, right at that moment to identify who is matched. It's reading directly from the source and not a copy of it. Now, I'll be honest with you, this is a very technical concept to understand because there are certain considerations to take into account. I just wanted to give you some awareness of what zero copy data is. I'm pretty sure that you'll eventually hear about it if you're in any migration project. So better to hear about it now so you're not going in there clueless and have a rough understanding of what you need to figure out. Anyways, follow along. I document concepts like this piece by piece so we can figure this whole MCN migration project together. See you in the next entry.